Hi, this is Jeffrey. Today's masterclass discussion introduction is about the Hepsia control panel. The Hepsia control panel is a complete user-friendly dashboard for managing your hosted websites. In addition to its intuitive ease of use features, the Hepsia control panel was designed for all user skill levels, beginner to advanced. The Hepsia control panel was created by web developers for web developers. What this means is that it was designed by people who were and are actively engaged in building websites. Why is this important? An analogy would be that it is one thing to know how to turn the timer on your oven to bake a cake. It is a vastly different set of skills to put all the ingredients together for the cake to be delicious. The developers of Hepsia Control Panel invested thousands of hours immersed in user behavior. By doing this, they were able to identify the most used features. Because of their in-depth hands-on analysis, the result was a dashboard where features users worked the most were readily accessible. Multi-click functions were streamlined to one click, and they placed multifunction features in drop-downs for ease of use. Security was identified as being a big issue for both newbies, people developing their first website, and advanced users alike. The Hepsia developers identified the best solution as a web app firewall. This firewall requires no code modifications on the user end. It automatically blocks the most common hacker attacks. Best of all, the firewall runs in the background, updates itself automatically, and is enabled by default in your user account. This level of immersed security protocols affords peace of mind for experienced web developer and beginner. For people working on a home business website and advanced users, PHP configuration, web accelerators, and a script supervisor are front and center. Each provides essential tools for developing and managing websites either not found in other control panels or cumbersome to implement. Hepsia control panel features are award-winning for their ease of application and management. Let's do a quick tour of the Hepsia control panel.
This is Hepsia, a new and different kind of control panel. In one word, it's intuitive. Hepsia has an easy-to-use drop-down navigation and responds quickly and naturally to each click. And the easy-to-use drag-and-drop features makes moving your files fast and smooth. With Hepsia, there's no real learning curve, because what you need is right there. Each icon takes you straight to where you want to be. This means that actions like creating, renaming, and copying are natural and straightforward. Now, some things might have been hard to do on other control panels, like registering your domain or setting up a new email, but with Hepsia, it can be done with just a click. And with options like integrated help tips, video tutorials, on-screen info of your account usage, and the available resources, means that you are kept informed and able to take control with ease. Intuitiveness and integrated site tools are the key reason why Hepsia is so different. So make it easy on yourself and get Hepsia as your default control panel today.
So there you have it, your tour of the Hepsia control panel. In summary, key characteristics of the Hepsia control panel include intuitive interface, full site controls, developer tools, security, ease of use, beginner and advanced user compatible. You can also access the Hepsia control panel from your mobile device or tablet. The mobile version is a full-fledged user interface. You can manage everything, every feature, just like you can from your desktop. By the way, you can easily transfer your websites to our Hepsia control panel service provider. There is absolutely no charge for support to assist you in transferring your websites. Plus, feedback suggests that in addition to all the great features included with your new hosting provider, there are also cost savings. This is the end of today's masterclass discussion overview. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. We will take this to the next level. If you are not yet a masterclass member and would like information about our masterclass membership or assistance with domain name registration or selecting a web hosting provider, follow these links.